Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. As you see this picture, we start glitter nail art with stamping. Here I am using these polishes for nail art. A blue color nail polish, a glitter polish, a top coat, a thin liner brush. Here I am using this stamping plate Born Pretty Decoration L001. A stamper. So let's start. First of all, apply base coat which protects your natural nail with any strain of polish. Now I am using Born Pretty holographic polish. Apply here first coat of this polish to all fingers. Now applying second coat of this polish. It's very beautiful shade. I really like it. Now time to design your nail. Apply some polish. Take a thin liner brush and apply a half moon line with the help of brush, and then fill it. It's look amazing. Now take glitter polish and apply it with the help of same thin liner brush. Draw a single line on half moon line. Don't fill it. Just draw a simple line. Now time for stamping. Apply some polish on your image. It's a stamping polish, and then scrape it and immediately pick up your design by rolling it and apply this design on your nail. The last thing, apply top coat to protect your design. I hope you enjoyed this video. So give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow on Instagram. Thanks for watching.